Here's one of those useless bed covers. Tried one on my bed once. I can't stand it. There's no use. I sleep on a bed of nails anyway. And I'm going to wrap this around the torso to give the body the impression of having a rib cage. It will help add a little realism to this. Rib cage. Okay. Now I'm taping it in at the bottom. I'm going to put another piece around the where the stomach would be, right below the rib cage, and across the upper chest. Squeeze it down in place. And there we have the basic body.